Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the simple CRUD application using Java. Let us show the demo first. This is a simple demo. You can see this is the product information. You will be able to enter the product name and price and quantity. Here you will be able to search the product by the ID, right? If you select the relevant product ID, the details should be display on this form here, right? Now let's check, right? If you select as 1, click search button, here it's working, right? If it is 14, these are the records here, right? Now if you are going to go to add the new record, click new button. Now here the cursor will be here. I'm going to add the new product name. So you have to add here is mobile. Price you have to write here is 10,000, quantity 1000, right? Click add button, record added. After that you can see here this is the 15th ID. Click search, this is a mobile. If you want to make any modification, you will be able to check it, right? Change and click it updated. Now if you again you have to check it here 15. So here we can see here it's updated successfully. Now if you want to delete the record, click on this one, this ID, click delete button, record deleted. You will be able to see here the record is not there, right? It's uploaded, right? It's very simple CRUD. How to do this step by step, we'll do it now, right? Now let's go to the file, new project, Java application, click next. If it is check create main class, I am going to uncheck it. This one should be, I am going to name this project name is product information. Product info, name of the project, click finish. Right here, right. Now first what I am going to do is here I am going to select the source packages. Inside the source package I am going to create this design. So let's select this source packages, right click new, JFrame form. This one you have to give the name as class name product. Click finish. This is a frame, right? First I am going to design the look like this. So first we have to type the heading, drag one label, right click edit text, here write product name, product information, select this one, properties, font, bold 24. Right. If you want to increase more, you have to go to the properties, font 36. Right, perfect, right? Simply you have to increase the size, right? Look like this, right? Now after that we have to go to the panel, drag one panel. This panel, what I am going to select this one, right click properties, border, we have to select this one, title border, right? Give the title as product information, right? Click OK, right? Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to drag the labels. This one should be the product name, price, quantity. Product name, price, quantity. This one, select this one, product name, price, quantity. Select the labels, hold on the control key down and select all the labels, right click, properties, font property, bold 14, click OK. You have to select that, you have to select the 18, click OK, right. Okay, now here I am going to drag the relevant text boxes. So to drag the text boxes, you have to just punch them. Right. Now I need one. This one you have to size like this. Right. Now here I need one combo box. Here this one should be the product ID. select this one, right click, properties, font property you have to select as 18, click OK. Right, now we need you have to select this one should be the bold, right, bold. Now let's drag one combo box. Here we have to drag the combo box, this one, drag here. Right. Now here we need a button, so we drag another panel here. So to add the buttons, click on this panel, right click, properties, border, we have to set this one as this one. Just add the buttons right here. So first one should be the, we have to drag the button, so drag the button here. This one add, right click, edit text, add button, same add button, we have to make it little type. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the update. This one Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the delete. Right. Now here we have to do another button. We have to write it here is search. We have to do the another button. This one should be the new and search, right? So with the same button, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one we have to get the copy. This one should be the search. So get the topic, so search. The same button, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. This one should be the our new button, right? We have to design the phone look like this. Simple look, right? You have to write like this. Okay, very simple. You have to make the form like this. This button you have to right. Right. Now let's select this one. If you run the application, run at the center, you have to select this one. We have to this one. You have to run it. You can check here. You run at here. This is the user interface. I'm going to change it as this one look beautifully. So we have to select this one. First we have to set this one as go to the properties. We have to set generate center and enable this property. After that, go to the source. We have to go to the generate source code. You have to Control F. You have to find the UI. You have to find UI. You just type the find button UI. Here UI manager. Here this is the default style. This is the default look. This one. You have to change this one as this one. This look. Right. So this look. We have to change this one as this look. This is the thing, right? META. Right. So you have to type here META. Right. You type and check the look. Now if you execute the program, you can check here the look. This is the real Java application look. Now it's here, it's working perfectly well. The real Java application. This is a real Java application, right? You have to change the user interface look like this. It's simple, right? Now what I'm going to do is here, we have to arrange the button little bit, then only it's perfect. Size also different. It's not good. Same size. Right. Now what I'm going to do is here. Now let's execute and check. Right, now it's okay. Now working perfectly. Now let's select the product name, this one. Edit text, backspace, remove the existence, select again. Change variable, txt, p name. This one select again. Edit text, backspace to remove, select again. Change variable, txt price. Select this one. Edit text, backspace to remove, select again. Txt quantity, right. This one should be there. Select the combo box, properties, model, select this one, remove all, click OK. right. Now this one we have changed the txt PID, right, product ID, right. We change everything perfectly. Now let's write the code for that. First we have to, before write the codes, what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to go to the Google. I'm going to download the MySQL connector. So go to the MySQL connector jar. If you type this one, it goes to the relevant website, right? MySQL connector jar, MySQL connector for Java. Otherwise you can type easily MySQL connector for Java. It easily bring to the link, this link. If you click on this one, it will be visiting this relevant website for download. You just click on this link, this button, this zip file. You no need to log in or sign up. We just click on this below link. No thanks, just start my download. If you click on this one, your download has been started below. I don't want to download. I already downloaded this file, so I just cancel it. I download and put into my E drive. After downloaded, the file become a zip format. You have to, after you extract them, it become a normal folder, right? Okay, now what I'm going to do is here, this is your libraries, right? Here we have to import those libraries, right? So select this one, add jar folder, this one, click on this one. Okay, this after downloaded, you have to extract them. The file look like this one, right? Double click on this one, double click these two jar file we need to add it in order to connect MySQL and Java. So let's Alt or Control key down and select both, click open, right? You have to check whether it's added successfully or not inside the library. Here it is added successfully, right? Now what I'm going to do is here, let's go to the database. I already created the database which name is smobile. This is the database smobile in MySQL. This is the if you are not installed XAMPP server in your machine, you must install the XAMPP server. Here it is log process XAMPP server. This is the dashboard, right? You have to install the XAMPP server, right, in order to connect the MySQL, right? I have created the database smobile. This is the product, right? Product table. I have created the product tables, right? Now I am going to establish a database connection. So how to establish a database connection here is very simple. This is the constructor of the form. After the constructor, I am going to create the method which is a connect, right? Connect method. First I am going to write here is, first you write class, you have to register the driver, MySQL driver. You have to write here com dot MySQL dot JDBC dot driver. Now here you no need to import the try and catch block. Click on this one. This is try. It is automatically imported. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to import the class above. Import Java dot SQL dot asterisk. If it is put SQL asterisk, so all the SQL classes will be reside on the this asterisk. Right. Now you will be able to write the SQL class connection con. I have created the connection object con. After that I am going to create the another one is a prepare statement. PST. Right. After that we have write here connection object equal driver manager dot get connection. Here we have tried to specify the URL. Your database reside on where? JDBC, MySQL. You have tried here localhost. You have tried here the smobile is a database name. After that we have tried the user credential of the MySQL. Root is a username. Password is blank. Right? You have to write like this. This is user credential. Here you have to import the cache. Right? That's it. This is the MySQL connection. This is how you have to establish the database connection between Java and MySQL. The method connect method control C to connect, copy, control V to paste inside the parameter. The constructor. Then it will be work. Right? You have to code. After that, what I am going to do is here. we have to write the code for the add button, right? So how to write the code for the add button? First we have to write. So it's very simple. Select the add button, right click, event action perform. Here we have to easily write. First, if the user enter the product name, price and quantity, we have to store the variables. So how to make the variables here is, you have to write all the stuff as string p name equal txt p name, so product name dot getText, right? After that we have to write string price equal txt price dot getText. After that string quantity equal txt quantity dot getText. You have to write like this. Very simple. Okay. After that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to write the prepare statement. Insert the record into the database, right? So how to write the prepare statement here is, I already created the object prepare statement object pst above. Here you have to get them here. Pst equal connection dot prepare statement. Here we have to write the insert code. Insert into which table you are going to insert the record? Products table. Okay, if you are not remember about that, you just go to the MySQL, you can see here, right? Okay, you must remember the table name. After that, you have to add the columns. What are the columns? ID should be auto increment, you don't need to add it. P name, price and quantity, these are the columns, right? You have to add it here. You have to add the following columns: P name, quantity and P name, price, so quantity. Okay, right. This is how we have to add that. After that, we have to write the prepare statement. Values we have to write here: question mark, question mark, question mark. We have a three data, 3 question mark are there, right? This is not error. It asks to import the try and catch block. It is imported. After that, I am going to write set into the relevant parameters. So pst set string 1, this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste it. Now same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste it. You have to paste it here. We have to set the price should be Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste it. This one second one, third one quantity, the third one, this quantity Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Right. This sequence of parameters follow the sequence of column in the database table, right? This is a sequence of parameters. This goes to here, this goes to here, this goes to here, right? This follow the structure. Finally, we have to call the method which is a pst execute. So we have to write first int, we have to create the variable k int pst dot execute update. Now you have to check here if k equal 1 means record is added, right? So you have to write j option pan dot show message dialog. This we have to write here record is added, record added. Otherwise you have to write same thing, Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl V, record added failed. After record added, we have to clear these text boxes. So we have to write the name, the following name is Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Setx clear. Same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. The second one, this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to clear. Third one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one, quantity, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one clear. After clear all the stuff, the cursor will be focused on the text box, this one, txtp name. So we have to write the same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. There will be the predefined method called request focus. Right, that's the thing we have to do. Perfect, right? Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right click, run file. Right, product name I'm going to write sugar. Price 100, quantity we have to type mobile. Price 10,000. quantity 1000, click add button, record added, it's perfectly working. Now let's check the things. It's mobile, it's added successful. Okay, it's working perfectly well. Right. Now what I'm going to see, I'm going to load the table, combo box, right? In order to update or delete the record. So it's very easy stuff. So how to do the task is here. Let's create a separate function for that. It is very easy to manage if you create the separate function in order to do the things. So here right here is public void load product number. Now this is a function, right? Here we have to write the prepare statement, pst equal connection dot prepare statement. Here we have to write select id. I'm going to load only the product id, so this column. So we write select id from which table? Products table. Right. Which table? Products table. After that we have to write the another method we have to create. We have to import the try and catch block. We have to create another thing is result set rs object, right? We have to write rs equal pst dot execute correct. You have to write here txt pid dot remove all items. Right. Now here we have to write here is to write a while loop while rs dot next. Here we have to write txt pid dot add item here we have to write rs dot get string. Here we have to write 1 mean it's load the id mean 1, right? Okay, load all the ids. What are the ids available? So all the ids we have to load from this combo box, right? So that we have to put it 1. This function we have to control C to copy this function name when the form is loaded along with this function name, right? First we have to load the connection method. After that it's getting load the combo box, right? Now let's right click, run file. You can check it here. What is the error? Load number simple, right? You have to whether if you get the error you must read it. What's the error? Alright, this is not a products. That's the error. Again we have to run the file. Here it's working perfectly well. It's working perfectly well. Now if you select the particular ID, the relevant product information will be displayed on the relevant text boxes. Right. Now we have to select this one and click the search button. Right. Now let's how do the task is here. We have to select the search button, event action perform. We have to write a code here. Simply you have to write here PID, string PID, this one string PID equal txt PID, this is the text box name, get selected item dot to string. Right. Now here what I am going to do is here, we have to write here prepare statement PSP equal connection dot prepare statement. Here we have to write select all from, we have to select all the data from the which table? Products table, where ID equal question mark. Right. After that we have to write pst dot, this is not error, we have to solve out this one, select this one, surrounded the try catch this one. Right. After that what I am going to do is here, we have to write pst dot set string, we have to write here 1, this one should be PID. After that we have to write rs equal pst dot execute query. And here we have write if rs dot next double equal true. You have write double equal true. You have write here is simple. You have write this one, the text box name, right? Which text box it is, record should be this text box, right? This is a name, txtp name, txt price, txt quantity, right? txtp name dot this one setx. You have write rs dot get string. This one should be 2. 2 mean this is the starting position 1, 2, 3, 4. This 2, 3, 4. 2 mean t name, 3 mean price, 4 mean quantity, right? That's how we have to. 2 mean the 2 mean product name should be display on the txt product name, this text box, price, quantity, right? So here you have to write another stuff is price, so to quantity, txt price 3, 4 mean quantity, txt quantity, right? You have to write like this way. Very simple. Now let's execute and check. It's working. It's working fine, right? Now we will be able to write the update or delete part, right? So first I'm going to write the update part. It's very simple. Select this one, event action perform. It's you just copy these codes. You no need to write again by this same thing, this ID. How to update the record? Get the ID. ID is a unique. We get the product ID and update the record. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. What's the product ID you are selected? It is assigned to this particular variable. Now here we have to write the update code. It's very simple. So the same code, insert code, you double click the add button, the same insert code you just add the copy. Instead of writing, we just all the stuff you just Control C to copy. We have to update button, we have to paste it here. Right. Now here this is the Control X cutoff, Control V to paste here. Right. That's the thing we have, right? Right. Now this is all the text box we needed. Where after value all the values are displayed. If you select the items, it is update the product by ID, right? Once the ID you are selected, the particular ID, the product should be updated. So you have to write the update code here. It's very simple. Only that we have to change the update code. Update which table you are going to update? Product table, products table, not product table, products table, right? Products table set. First column should be the what is the first column? P name equal question mark comma price equal question mark comma price quantity equal question mark where ID equal question mark. Right. Now here we have right. P name should be go here, price should be go here, quantity go here. After that we have to write the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the PID, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. You have to get the product ID. What is the product ID you are selected? It is you have to pass it here, it goes here. It is updated. Right here you have to pass a message, record updated. Right. Now let's run, right click, run file. Here you have to select the product ID. Click search button. This is the product ID. I am going to make the changes here. Change as 20,000, quantity 2,000. Click update button. Record updated. Now if you check again, 60 product number. Click search. It's working perfectly. It's updated successfully. Right? It's working perfectly. Now if you want to add the new record, if you click new, it will be clear. So it's simple. Click on the new button. Event action perform. We already wrote the clear button code, so we have to this the same clear button code. You Control C to copy. After insert the record or update the record, we have already written this one. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. That's it. That's the thing we have to do. Very simple. Right. Okay, this is the thing we have to do. Now we will write the code for the delete button. So right click, event, action perform. This one, the same update part, we get the copy. No need to write again by again. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here what I am going to do is, see, only we have, we no need this all the text box, all the things we don't need. Only we keep the ID only. Get the ID and delete the particular row. What is the ID you are selected, product ID. The particular information will be deleted. Relevant ID information will be deleted, right? So here we have tried this one. Delete. From which table you are going to delete? Products table. Where ID? What's the ID you are selected? It is you are coming here. The particular row will be deleted. So we have this ID. Control C to copy. Control V to paste that. This one should be 1. This one we don't need it. We have to only stuff we have to. Right? Other things are all the same. This one should be record deleted. Right. Okay. This is the thing we have to do. This is a simple CRUD. Okay. Very simple. Right? Very simple. Okay. So you have to. Now let's run the project and check. I'm going to add here the product name table. Price I'm going to add as 12,000. Quantity 1,000. Click add button, record added. Right. Now here we have to load it again. This is a simple here, right? This one, this is the final one. Click on this one. Here is a table. All things are there. Now I'm going to update the record. You have to make it, change it as 10,000. Click update. Record updated. If you select again, you have to check here. It's updated. Now if you want to delete the record, click on this one. 18 I am going to delete. Click delete button. Record deleted. Here you can check here. If it is search, right. The problem is here. We have to this table function. We have to call it here. Then only if you add the record, update record, it will be changed. Right? This one. This function. Load product number. This one. Control C for this product number. This one. Right? So we have to this add button also we have to put it here. Then only it will be update also we have to write. Then it will be work, right? Delete also we have to write. After that clear button also we have to write this one. Clear button also we have to write. Okay. Now only it will be when you make any changes the product number should be loaded, right? So if you add another product ABC, I just write the name. This one should be near, you write 30,000. Quantity 1,000. Click add button. Record added. It is working here. It is working here. It's working now. Right? It's working right. Now here we have to make the changes. Update it. It's updated. It's working perfectly well. Right? Now if you want to delete this particular record, this one, click delete button. Record deleted. Now here it's not available. Right? Okay, it's not available. Right? If you click new, here you will be able to add the new record here. Right? I hope you guys understood the tutorial well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.